mabilisang explanation about sa number 1, Let Review English Part 1. Number 1, identify the play from which lines are taken. Will thou be gone? It's not yet near day. It was the nightingale and not the lark. The period, the fearful hollow of thine ear. Nightly she sings on your pomegranate tree. Believe me, love, it was a nightingale. So the correct answer here is Romeo and Juliet. Bakit? Romeo and Juliet, alam naman natin na it is a Shakespearean tragedy about two young lovers, which is si Romeo and si Juliet, who are from feuding families in Verona. So, kaninong line tong will thou be gone? It's not yet near day. It was spoken by Juliet, Act 3, Scene 5. She is talking to Romeo, who believes the lark song signals the dawn, and that he must leave her. So, yun daw yung hudyat na iiwan na siya ni Romeo. Pero sabi ni Juliet, assures him it's the nightingale. So, hindi daw yun lark, it's the nightingale. And that it's not yet dawn. Pero, yun talaga ay lark. So, the correct answer is Romeo and Juliet. Okay? Thank you.